Hey guys, this is Neetu over here, and welcome to my YouTube channel Neetu V. So, today I was studying about frequencies. So, what frequencies? This is about the vibrational frequency based on the emotions that we have. Okay, so depending on the emotion that you feel in a moment, you are in a particular vibration. Okay, so do you know, we refer to some people as high vibrational people. Some people are, just so positive that even by looking at them or just being around them for 5 to 10 minutes, you feel totally different. Why is it? It's mainly because they have that vibe of high positivity around them. So if you're interested, to always be in such a positive flow, that you enjoy being with yourself and even the people around you starts enjoying your company, then this video is for you. Yes, I have created it mainly for those people who are really interested, in just being, or just attracting or just rising the vibration so beautifully high and so naturally, so that they can really enjoy the benefits. Okay, so what are the benefits? See, when you change your vibration, two things will really happen. One is your circumstances will change, because this is an internal work that you have to do. So when you work on yourself, and when you rise your vibration, the external things starts moving. It starts shifting all of a sudden, so that it matches with the vibration that your internal self is in at that point of time. So if you really want to have a high, beautiful, heavenly life, then the first thing that you have to do is you have to work on yourself. You have to work on rising your vibration. So how do you do that? So this video is all about that. Okay. So generally, if you just what do I say, if you just give a number to the emotions that you have, is something on a scale that is scientifically maybe put down into words by a famous person called David Hawkins. Okay, this is also called as Hawkins scale. Even if you Google it, you'll find it, Hawkins scale. Okay, so there, what they tell is, if you're feeling shame, guilt, fear, that is in a very low vibration. That is, 20 is for shame, 30 is for guilt. If you're feeling fear, it comes to 100. Then if you're feeling a bit neutral, it's around 250. Then a bit more higher would be acceptance, around 350. Then if you want to rise much higher, then when you're in love, when love is mainly the vibe that you have, you reach 500. Then if you're in a joyful state, always 540 is the vibrational scale. And if you're enlightened, and you have all that peace and all those feelings, then you are in a high vibrational scale, like it matches up to 700 onwards to 1000 and all. So that is the highest vibration that you can enjoy. So what people, or the majority of the people, what this David Hawkins, or this person who's a psychiatrist, who's a spiritual leader, who's a researcher, he's having both in him. That is, he was maybe a scientific sort of a person, and a spiritual person. So he could club the science with spirituality. So that is how he came down with this spiritual, or this with the scale that shows how your emotions can be graded. Okay, so in that, what he tells us, 99% of the people, yeah, 99% of the people comes in the lower scale. That is, they are not high vibrational people. They are people who generally feel stuck, who's always fearful, who's filled with shame, guilt. So just imagine, 99% of the people that we see, or the majority of the people that we see, are low, are in the low vibrational scale, and that is the reason why they are suffering. So once you rise your vibration, what happens is your suffering will vanish. Yes, because that is why everybody loves being with people who are always fun, who are always positive, who's always on the peaceful side, right? It's because of their vibe that we love them, or you get attracted to them. Okay, so how do you do that? Before going into that, I would tell, I have many friends who are into substances, which can momentarily give you that feeling of a high vibration, maybe up to the 350 level. That is maybe when you smoke, when you have drugs, or maybe you have alcohol, or all those substances. You need those weeds, drugs, alcohol. When you have all that, for a moment, just for some time, maybe 2 or 3 hours, you'll feel like floating around the world. Okay, so that is why most of the guys go in for alcohol or even drugs. I'm very sorry to say, but many of the so-called educated guys, I even know a teacher who's into drugs. Yes, that's um how our society is now. I hope it all changes. So, coming back to the point, what I'm telling is, most people, in order to get into that high vibrational mode of 350, okay, maybe 350 is around, you are about it, but you're not totally into that high vibrational state, but somewhere around, you feel that floating feeling. So that is why guys mostly have, or girls, even in present generation, even girls go into all this, into drugs, into alcohol, right? So yeah, so that is why people get into these sort of stuff. But the problem is, two things. One is it's costly, yeah. Second is, it'll cost you maybe your image. Yes, you can see people doing all sort of, even though they are educated, they'll do all sort of illogical stupid things when they are into these kind of drugs or substances to get into a high vibrational mode, because it's there only for a moment. And with time, what happens is your brain chemistry, if you take it chemistry wise, gets saturated. Okay, so it won't be enough after 2 weeks or after a month. That same level of alcohol or drugs, or whatever be the substance that you're taking, won't be enough to get you to get you that kick, as we casually tell it. You won't feel that anymore. You'll need more and more and more of it. That means you'll need more and more money. You need more and more of all the bad things you can even imagine of, just getting those substances. So there is an easier way, where you don't have to spend money, and where it is totally free, and that is called meditation. Yes, so this is the reason why, there are many people who ultimately gets fed up of all these drugs and high vibrational things, even alcohol and everything, that they turn back into meditation. So why meditation? Because two things: it's free, and you can always be in that state. It's not like you have to depend on these drugs to be in that state. So once you rise your vibrational level to, that much level of positivity, if alcohol gives you, or if drugs give you, or if all these substances like weed gives you, a level of 350, when you're in a meditative, peaceful state, you are in double that level of joy. Just imagine, if alcohol can give you 350, it's 700 what meditation can give you. So just imagine that how the yogis will be feeling. They are always stoned. They are always in that high vibrational state that even alcohol or none of these things can give. Okay, so that is one of the things why I would tell guys, instead of drugs, turn back to meditation. It's free, and you'll always be in that high floating state of mind. Okay, and you'll never want to go back into these drugs and all this that useless things that even in your heart, or even that logically all this is not good, but just for that momentarily feeling, you'll go there. Oh, it's just for the moment. But you know what? It can't be there for the moment. It will get into a reckless habit, maybe destroying you, and you won't even know that you're slipping into that. Okay, so you have seen that in all the movies, right? So I don't have to explain all that. So yeah, so when you meditation is one of the most easiest way that any girl or any guy or any person, no matter what your age, can turn back and have that great high vibrational energy around you. Okay, so what do I say? So when you think of becoming this person with lots of energy, lots of high vibration in you, you will feel some resistance from the people around you, because 99% of the people around you are in low vibrational frequencies, and when they see you always floating around with so much of energy, they what they're going to tell. If they cannot relate to you, they're going to tell that you are the crazy one, even though they are unaware of where they are. When you are the odd one out, people are going to judge you. Yes, because 99%, just think of it, 99% of the people are in the low vibrational frequencies, and when that 1% is on another level, they're going to tell, oh my god, this person is crazy. Yeah, they're going to call you crazy. They're going to give you all those weird names and make you feel guilty for doing that. So if you really want to be a person with high vibration, be ready for all those judgments, and you should just pat it off. Okay, so that's all I have to tell. So once you have a great high vibration state, the people you attract will change. Yes, it will literally happen, maybe within days, and the circumstances that you attract will change. The places that you're going to be, or that you're going to be pulled to by the universe, will change. And more than anything of that, the kick feeling that you guys and girls out for, for alcohol, or whether it's weeds or whatever, you are going to have double that kick if you do meditation. Just imagine, it's free. Why won't you opt for meditation instead? Okay, so that's it, guys. Don't go in for all these drugs. Okay, there is a much better, much logical and much scientific way of going there, and that's through meditation or any other high vibrational things that you can do to get there. Okay, so my next video will be on that, like what are the habits that you can have so that you are always in that crazy awesome high vibrational energy. Okay, so for now I'm just winding up. So if you are watching this, please share it with any friend that you know who's alcoholic, who's into drugs, or who's into weeds or whatever. Okay, and teach them that there is a much better way, or ways in which you can always be in that floating state of energy. Okay, so with that, this is Neetu signing off. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, Neetu V, and I'll be back with another video tomorrow. Okay, and that'll be on the habits or the things that you can do to really rise your vibration. Okay, take care, guys. God bless and stay happy.